Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Now, look at the title. Prezi forget his props. To me, Prince SWANNY seems kinda ungrateful. Now, I am not Trinidadian. I am a Jamaican. But I love Trinidad, I love the music, I love the people. And I see what's going on. And I give my 2 cents. Now, from what I understand, Prince SWANNY was pretty much a nobody. And I can give you guys a little bit of the history from what I know in terms of how reggae has developed over the years in Trinidad. Now, the reggae thing and the dancehall thing start from way back in the days with a man named General Grant. General Grant used to run with Shabba them, Super Cat, and back in them time there, you have the Kissy Caravan. You understand? Fast forward, after the Kissy man them, Lego, then you have the Reggae All-Stars. You understand? And them used to run and do for them thing. I just do a quick rundown, you know. Now, after debut there, you have Kojo and the youth when named Fresh from the G unit, and Fresh get deported and I run the music. Now, when Fresh take over the music scene, you understand, that's when the violence start. But I'm wanting to listen. At that time, Prezi was an underboss under Kojo and Fresh them. Now, to be fair to Prezi, the man watch enough things go down, all sort of things happen. You understand? Prezi are the man now where bring back the Trinidad and the dancehall thing and the reggae thing back on its foot in a Trinidad. Him step up, him start promote the artists them. Prezi is a youth who love music. You see what I'm saying? Start promote the artists them, start do them thing. Him big up Prince SWANNY, put the biggest chain on his neck, help him. Cause remember now, like me say, you have to give Prezi him props, and me as a man, me not support no numbers, no gang member, nobody will out there kill off them community straight up. But my have to talk with me know, and cause like me say, from day one, me know say Prezi was a youth who well connected. And for him get off from rockers like that with Prince SWANNY them and all sort of thing, the man feel away. Obviously, SWANNY out of all of the man them get one of the biggest break, or the biggest break. Him leave Trinidad, fly out, do all sort of things, make money, and then him cut, left Prezi and the man them. Now, me would I be pissed off if a pussy do that, yo, straight up. Me would I be pissed off. Now, we know say Prezi was a youth, or is a youth, that was doing things for the community. You understand? Like me say, him pick up the mantle after them fling with Kojo, them fling with Fresh, them even did that say like a police fling with Fresh, and Prezi pick up the mantle and give the man them the break. Now, remember, Prezi had done, and him a bring the artists. Every artist will come at Trinidad, reggae artist, have to go and beat them. Now, what me I say, Prezi a OG, and once him link up and say, yo, put SWANNY on the show them. Every artist will come in. You understand? Have to link up. And that's how it start from. You understand? And it give them a flow, it give them a break. And they were able to develop the Trinidad genre. I know other people probably disagree with me and say, boy, countryman don't know this, that, whatever. Me not talk about the war with the man them a war. Me I talk about Prince SWANNY. You understand? And I feel like Prince SWANNY should have give the respect and the credit to Prezi. Now, Prince SWANNY go up on the fix, him go up on every interview, and him not pay the respect to Prezi. Now, if I was Prince SWANNY, I don't care if I'm rolling with the 6, the 7, the 10, the 20. My nigga them have to respect the facts. Listen, me I give that man him props, me I give him credit. You understand? Prince SWANNY fi step up and open him mouth and give Prezi him credit. 6 Dan fi chill out when SWANNY, or if SWANNY do that, 6 Dan fi just easy and show the respect to SWANNY. You understand? So me feel like Prince SWANNY is kinda ungrateful, dog. Cause listen, me a OG. If me a roll with 6 Dan them, and me stop roll with Prezi, me I come out and me dep on any interview, me I say, yeah, a Prezi boss me and help me. I'ma pay respect to him. Even though me and Prezi not linking right now, that man still getting respect. You understand? A them thing that is missing in a Trinidad, dog, and the Trinidad scene. Now, people say, yo, if Prince SWANNY pay respect, then 6 Dan them and the rest of man them overrated. Now, if me, I will pay respect to Prezi, and then the man them round me, say me and Prezi now flex, but me I show me respect, and them I will take that as something. Yo, beat me I cut left all of them. Me nah deal with 6 Dan, me nah deal with 10 Dan, me nah deal with no. You no go suck on blood clot mama and go. You understand? Enough people, I said Prezi I try control SWANNY. I don't think Prezi I try control nobody. The man I do him thing, he might hustle, he might do whatever. You understand? The man want loyalty. The man want loyalty. You see what I'm saying? And I saw me look on it. Prince SWANNY, him no loyal. Now, man I go say, yo, Prezi a control and Prince SWANNY. No, you have to learn for sure your royalty, dog. Your loyalty. Sorry, me I say royalty. Prince SWANNY turn king now. The royal prince. But yeah, me feel like when me look back on it, and me I go into the history though, because me have a video where me I go work on with the history of the Trinidad thing. Me just go on a little preview, because really this about Prince SWANNY and how me feel him deal with Prezi, because yo, everybody a lick out on Prezi, including me, because me no like the killing. And me no like how the man them a kill off them one another. You understand? But at the end of the day, you have to call a spade a spade. Cause me soon end the video yeah. Me just have to get this off of my mind, dog. Cause and not even somebody really want enter the video yeah, with the other reggae thing. But like me say, me I do another video where me can explain in a more detail But, like me said, it started General Grant, and then it rolled down to the Reggae All-Star, and then you have Kojo them and Fresh them come in. That's when the violence start. Them fling with Fresh, them fling with Kojo. Prezi, him become the de facto boss. I am quite sure Prezi never did want certain things, but after Fresh and Kojo them get fling with, him decide say, yo, me I go fund the music here, cause maybe him have the money for do it and him been doing things for the neighborhood. Obviously, our president cut from Muslim and say, Rasta. Me don't know if I choose Selassie when him come at Trinidad, him put a stone down in a beatam. But whatever the case is, them have them dynamics and them have them disagreement. And that me I talk about. Me I talk about specifically to Prince SWANNY and how him deal with the situation with Prezi. I'm quite sure if him did approach it from a different way, him and Prezi could have worked out certain things, and also 6 Dan. You understand? Not set in a stone. Prezi set it off, and then the other man them rise up and feel like say, yo, we not take no talk from no man this, that. But it's not about taking talk. It's about loyalty. You see what I'm saying? So with that said, me I forgive Prezi in props panda one year. And I saw me I say, Prince SWANNY, next time you go on a stage show or whatever, give your respect to the monster. Give your respect to Prezi. Because him put gold chain on your neck. And him give you money. And him buy car phone out, drive up and down inner. You understand? And him link up the stage show man them and say, yo, put my artist on that, cause you know Prezi a Dan Dada. You understand? And them man the word of the law. So me personally, me would have feel the same way. Me don't know if would have going at extreme. But you can't just see how things go. 6 Dan flipper kick off with him because of personal whatever, and what fuck up, The man them have them personal differences and then them weave in the fucking music in it. And that are the fuck up thing, with the whole situation, yeah. You see what I'm saying? And start fuck up the blood clot music. That's why them now get no dates. Nobody now look upon them like that. Uncle SWANNY alone and certain man. Because people see what's going on. So me I call upon Prince SWANNY. Yo, next time you do an interview or ask, yo, send a shout out to Prezi Dog. You and him not have to be friend, but show your respect. And 6 Dan, if SWANNY send a shout out to Prezi, just chill out. Chill out and allow that. You understand? That no mean him and Prezi are flex. You have to understand that. You act like you fully dance. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And click on another video. And let me tell you something. Me go talk about that boy there. Byron, me see her, me send her where the fuck him want name. Me, I go talk about that boy there. That boy there, me I go talk about him, cause me see everybody a big him up, and me don't see nothing big about him. Only thing me know say, that pussy they lucky, and me I go tell you now how him lucky when me do the video. Peace. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'm out, yo. SWANNY, give the man him respect.